Hi everybody, Broken Ebeez here. Welcome to today's video. So today's video might give the impression that I'm all over the fucking place, and really I'm not. I am thinking of changing my YouTube name from Broken Ebeez, or English Bob as you lot know me, to Gunner, because I'm always gonna do something. So I installed Windows 10 on the secondary gaming PC, booted it all up, installed the drivers. The drivers were written for Windows, they were working beautifully, and started installing the games. The games worked beautifully and recorded beautifully in OBS. So I thought, do you know what, I'm going to give this the benefit of the doubt. Maybe Windows 10 is now a really mature operating system that's ideal for the casual gamer. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe Linux Mint isn't better than the Windblows. So the first thing Windows did to me was start trying to force me to upgrade to Windows 11. And I thought, well, I'll fuck that right off, which I did. Stayed on the Windows 10, and I thought, well, it's worth putting up with that because Euro Truck's running so well, and all my other games are so easy to configure. No Wine, no Proton, no shenanigans. Life's really good. So I did a bit of gaming yesterday and put a video out saying, I think for 2025 I'm going to stick on Windows 10 for now and see how it goes. Well, it didn't even last a day. Because after I'd done my gaming session, the first thing I did was open Microsoft Edge, and I thought, well, I'll watch a movie. So I went on my favourite streaming site, and for a start it just would not connect, just kept coming up with socket error, and I thought, fuck me, this is supposed to be a clone of Google Chrome, isn't it? Microsoft Edge. So I thought, well, okay, so I installed my VPN and my ad blocker, and sure enough it let me into the site. It let me into the site, and then Microsoft Edge, for no apparent reason whatsoever, just downloading a malware executable of its own volition. I didn't tell it to. I didn't tell it to save it. It not only downloaded it, it also saved it to my hard drive. I was horrified. Not only that, my Microsoft Edge started to become really sluggish and infected itself with all manner of malware. And I thought, do you know what? I don't need this shit in my life. Linux Mint, I load up any web browser I want, usually Firefox. I don't get socket resets, I don't have to use a VPN. It just does what it says on the tin. It works day in, day out. All my games are set up and configured and good and ready to go. And I thought to myself, do you know what? I am sick and fucking tired of giving Windows the benefit of the doubts. If Windows users have to put up with this shit on a daily basis, God fucking help you. You're welcome to it. Because as far as I'm concerned, Microsoft Windows 10, 11, 12 can fuck right off with pleasure. Anybody that says Microsoft Windows, any version, is better than Linux Mint is absolutely out of their tiny fucking mind. Just try using Microsoft Windows for a day, then switch over to Linux Mint and sit there and wonder why you fucking bothered installing Windblows. So everything I said in my previous video, please discard it. It's a crock of shit, and I shall be on Linux Mint until the day I die. Why? Because it's perfect. And anybody that tells you Linux Mint isn't all that, anybody that says gaming and recording using OBS or Simple Screen on Linux Mint ain't all that, they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Linux Mint is perfect for your desktop. Please let me know underneath this video your Windows sufferings, shenanigans and absolute fucking nightmares, because I'd love to read through them and perhaps do an update video with your experiences on. And again, I expect the Windows fanboys to come on, oh, I've been running Windows for 10 years, never had a problem. Well, either A, you don't fucking do anything, or B, you're not connected to the internet. Because the minute you connect Windows 10 or 11 for that matter to the internet, all the old shenanigans come flooding back, and you don't have to do feck all, because Windows will take care of it for you. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, thumb the videos up if you love them, down if you hate them. I will see you for another wicked Broken Ebeez on the Linux Mint for Life video.